Lucid Sapphire, heir to the ultra-high performance throne. The world's first fully electric luxury super sport sedan. The Lucid Air Sapphire unleashes a new realm of comfortable lunacy with 1,200 plus horsepower and a great 4-seater ride. And no, it's not just hype. Find out what this beast is packing and all there is to know about the Lucid brand. Stay till the end of this video for this and more. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the Lucid Air Sapphire is arguably the best EV on the market. When it comes to luxury performance cars, there is always a push to make the fastest, most responsive high-performance car. While the Lucid Air set new standards as the fastest charging electric car and the one with the longest range on the market, the Lucid Air Sapphire is set to do one better, as the first fully electric luxury supersports and, dare say, sedan hypercar in the world. There has never been a more obvious competitor to Tesla in the electric vehicle market than Lucid Motors. It should be no surprise given that disgruntled ex-Tesla workers founded Lucid. Their first electric vehicle, the Air, is often compared as the Tesla S that should have been. Former Tesla Model S chief engineer and current Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson worked under current Tesla CEO Elon Musk. After 3 years, he felt trapped at Tesla and decided to leave. He's in charge of an exceptional group making Lucid's luxury electric car. Peter is well known for creating the Tesla Model S and has worked in the automotive industry for over 30 years. Peter Rawlinson, a former vice president of vehicle engineering at Tesla and chief engineer of the Model S, oversaw the car's engineering from its conceptual stage all the way up to mass production. Peter devised and implemented innovative product development methods that allowed this process to be completed in just 3 years. Peter Rawlinson earned his Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering from London's Imperial College. And because of his hands-on approach to engineering, it comes as no surprise that he holds a significant number of patents for the Model S. Peter served as the head of vehicle engineering at Chorus Automotive, the chief engineer at Lotus Cars, and the principal engineer at Jaguar Cars before joining Tesla. During his time with these companies, Peter was instrumental in creating groundbreaking new technologies for Alcoa, Audi, Bentley, Jaguar, Aston Martin, BMW, Daimler, Ford, General Motors, Land Rover, Lockheed Martin, and ProDrive. That's some serious portfolio right there. Sources say that Rawlinson's primary goal at Lucid is to beat Tesla, do better than his old boss, and in his own words, build the best car in the world. Once again, Lucid has returned to put Tesla in its place with the release of the awesome new Air Sapphire, which boasts 1,200 plus horsepower. This is Lucid's first tri-motor Air, which has blown the competition out of the sky. The performance numbers for the Lucid Air Sapphire are outstanding. If the rematched Navara hadn't partially desensitized us to such high numbers, the Sapphire would have been even more remarkable. The Sapphire is powered by a single electric motor in the front and a brand new twin rear drive unit with torque vectoring in the back. This produces a high output of almost 1,200 horsepower, which is impressive despite falling short of the rematched Navara's 1,900 plus horsepower. Lucid says that Sapphire can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds, and cover a quarter mile in less than 9 seconds. The only other set of numbers that can compare is the rematched Navara. The Sapphire's top speed, above 200 miles per hour, but there is a price to pay for those numbers. The Lucid Air Sapphire is priced at $249,000 US, or around 24 million Pokemon dollars. This Lucid gem is also civilized and calm, which makes it particularly impressive. With the Air Sapphire, Lucid has invested much time and effort in giving the vehicle balanced driving dynamics, which keeps its occupants at ease. The Sapphire has been designed to be as enjoyable to drive as it is quick. The front and rear springs are firmer, and the bushings are more rigid. This model's anti-lock brakes, electronic stability system, and electric power steering are all custom-tuned. It features carbon ceramic brakes, which are more solid and resistant to fade, making them ideal for stopping a vehicle of this speed safely. The exterior of the sedan is largely understated. With the exception of a few discrete aero-grade touches, there is no joking about the aerodynamics and mechanical parts used. Like all Lucid Air models, the cabin is comfortable and well designed. But this one has a special blue twist. The introduction of the Lucid Air Sapphire signals the beginning of a new generation of EVs with the ability to quickly and seamlessly switch personas. The kids can be dropped off at school, and you can make a beeline for the nearest racetrack to break lap records the moment you leave the track. This Lucid gem will surely send chills down the Model S Plaid spine, and given the performance numbers for the Lucid Air Sapphire, it seems fair to say this gem has entered the realm of the hypercar. Lucid Air Sapphire, Rimac Nevera sends greetings. In the press release for the new Air Sapphire, Lucid took a shot at Tesla by saying that its sedan's performance can be reached without any further modifications or long preconditioning routines. Instead, Lucid has included a Sapphire option in addition to most cars' regular smooth and swift modes. The Sapphire is stocked to the gills with cutting-edge comfort and entertainment options that match or exceed those of its most direct competitors. Floating above the dashboard is a large 34-inch curved display with 5K resolution, contributing to the interior's otherwise minimalist design. Additionally, the dashboard has premium machined metal buttons for adjusting the temperature and the volume. The Lucid Air Sapphire's full-size premium-class cabin has a dynamic vibe thanks to the company's space concept philosophy. Their completely new electric advanced platform, LEAP, is small enough to feed all the necessary parts but large enough to provide ample room for the driver and passengers. Most of the canopy is built out of glass, giving the inside a bright and spacious feel. Luxury is maintained throughout the cabin via the extensive use of high-quality leather and clever use of available space. The interior design was given a name by Lucid, Sapphire Mojave. It is decorated in a style that matches its eye-catching exterior. This includes brand new seating upholstered in black leather and Alcantara and is finished with contrast sapphire blue stitching. In addition to looking great, the sports chairs have 18 different power adjustments. The headrests feature the Lucid Bear logo, which can also be seen on the battery packs. The Lucid Air Sapphire looks quite similar to the other Lucid Air models, but it has a few key upgrades that set it apart. The new aerodynamic additions include an upgraded front splitter, a revised rear lip spoiler, and a sleek rear diffuser. The already stylish car from Air gets even more hip thanks to these additions. Nonetheless, everybody will be staring at the brand new rims. Lucid showcases 21-inch staggered wheels in two different designs. The first is a 5-spoke design with split spokes, while the second design is a more stylish 5-spoke aeroblade arrangement. The unique sapphire blue paint job complements the otherwise stealthy black design perfectly. The Lucid Air Group recently announced a new arrangement with longtime sponsors Saudi Arabia and its Ministry of Finance, so things are looking up. Saudi Arabia is diversifying its economy under Vision 2030. The country aims to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2060 through a circular carbon economy. This strategy includes greener transportation. The Saudi government has agreed to buy 50,000 electric vehicles from Lucid Motors over the next 10 years, with the option to buy another 50,000 electric vehicles during that time. Lucid announced that as a result of the agreements, the government of Saudi Arabia has agreed to contribute $3.4 billion in finance and incentives to the company over the next 15 years, while it constructs and operates a production plant there. This partnership with Saudi Arabia will likely play a key role in Lucid's growth. Lucid Air has been piling up Car of the Year awards. The Lucid Air Sapphire, which is being hailed as the best luxury EV, will most certainly follow the same path.